This video is an overview of the Spark Pickleball app. Once you have created your account and you open the app, first thing you'll see is this list of games. You might see 10, 20, 30 games in here. You might only see one or two games. You might not see any games at the moment. And here you can see there are two games set up. The first is on Tuesday, 12/27 at 11:30 a.m. for 90 minutes. The location is the Valley Inside. The setup is Mike Whaley, and it's got 2/0 indicated there. What that means is that two people have signed up. The /0 means no one has signed up as being late. So if 5 people have signed up, and one of them has signed up to be late, it will say 4/1. That gives you an idea. So you can just quickly look through here and see what games are where people are planning to be and how many people will be there. If you would like to sign up for a game to let people know you'll be there, obviously you can show up anyway, especially at all the public venues we have. But this will tell you who's identified that they'll be there. That kind of replaces the Facebook messages. Anybody playing at Rainier Vista this afternoon? So that's where this comes in handy. But if you do want to let people know you'll be there, click on the game and you get 4 options here. The green one says I'll be there. Orange one says I'll be late. The blue one says I will bring a friend, so that counts as 2 people. So somebody might not be using this. You might have an out-of-town friend. You might be bringing your wife that doesn't use the system, anything like that. So I will bring a friend. And then the red one says I'll not be there. Now you don't need to say you're not going to be there unless previously you said I will be there. Now you found out something's come up, and so to make sure that people know that you will not be there. To create a new game, and anyone in the system can create a game at any time, just click this orange Suggest New Game, pick the location, let's say Woodruff. It's going to be Wednesday, and it's going to start at 9:30. I'll be there for about 2 hours. You might be there 90 minutes or 3 hours, but this just to give people an idea. You can put any kind of a note in here. I will bring hot dogs, and that. You can also decide if you're going to send the email alerts. So when you save this game, it's going to send out alerts to everyone who in this case has indicated they're interested in games at Woodruff Park on Wednesdays with a starting time of 9:30, and I'll show you how that is set up. But every player in the system will identify when they would like to receive what times and places they would like to receive alerts for. You can also set up the game so it's a friends only game. So when you save these games, it's only visible to people you have identified as your friends, and the email will only go out to your friends. So this is the way to try to create a more private game. At places that have reservations, this would maybe be one of the ways to gather more players. You make a reservation and then you need 3 or 4 players. This might help with that. Or if, for example, at Rainier Vista, if we start using all those additional courts and there's just plenty of courts and you and your buddies want to go over and play by themselves, then you're advertising only to your friends. But then you just click submit and the game goes into the system. When you do save a new game or even edit a game, alerts can go out using email. The system itself will send the emails to either everybody that has identified they would like an email for that location, date and time, so forth. And or if it's just your friends, it'll just send it to your friends. When they get the email, this is what it looks like. It comes from Spark Pickleball, Its location is Valley Inside on this example. It tells you when it starts, the time it starts, estimated duration, who organized it, a game comment if the person typed in a comment, I will bring hot dogs, for example. Game restrictions. This game is open to all players. Now, down below, you've got these 4 links. If you click on this link right here, you are indicating that you will be there. If you click on this one, you'll be late. This one, I'll bring a friend. This one, I'll not be there. So you don't even, in order to sign up for a game, you don't even have to open up the little app. You can just do it all from email. When you do click on the link in your email, you will get a web page opened up like this. It sends a message back to the website in order to process your decision. So it tells you where you just signed up, and it says your status is I will bring a friend, and it says currently there are now 2 players. So you don't even have to open up the web app to see how many players were scheduled right then. This will tell you, based on what you just did, there are now 2 players, or it might say 16 players or 35 players, or however many. Players are able to control their own settings, so they determine if and when they will get, for what kind of games they will get an email alert for, and so on. So let's take a look at how you set up your own parameters. You click Update Player, you set your display name, your email address, your default location. You can set your default location anywhere. All that helps is once you create a game, it starts it off at that location. Are you going to accept email notifications? You may sign up for this and only want to use the web app, so you're not getting a bunch of emails. But it might be real handy to just get the emails and be alerted when somebody is setting up a game. Here are the games you might be interested in. I may not be a member at Steamboat, so I'm not interested in games being set up at Steamboat. I might not be a member of the Valley, so I don't want those games, but I do want to go to the games that are in the public areas. So you may set up just for those 3 locations. What times a day are games that I might be interested in? Sunday from 9 to 4, for example, or I may not be interested in games on Sunday at all. Monday through Friday, I'm interested in games at these times. So if a game has a start time within this range, and it's on a day that I indicate, I will get an email if the creator of the game has specified to send out those email alerts. Your own player profile also contains the list of friends, your list of friends. So you can have 1, 0, 500 friends, it doesn't matter. All these people have to be registered in the system. And with a friends list, you can schedule games that may only be seen in the game list by your friends and will only send out an email alert to your friends. So if you have a situation where you have a reservation at the Valley or someplace else, you may put something in here, only show it as your friends, and try to fill out a foursome using this. Or maybe there's 2 or 3 of you and you've gotten 2 courts and you want to get 8, 10, 12 players for a period of time, you may put this in and just send it to your friends. Now the way to update your friends is just to click this orange button here, and then you get a list of everybody that's in the system, and you can just click, not too difficult to add people as friends, or remove them by just clicking remove. And then that's the number of people in your friends list. Keep in mind, this system is not associated with any other reservation system or any pickleball company. It's not associated with the Valley, the Senior Center, or any other system. It's not connected to any WhatsApp lists or text message lists or anything like that that may be going on.